the no appreciation type. There are girls who don't appreciate, even if you do something small, something big. The Bembas in Zambia say, most men are afraid of attachments and serious commitments. Even when they find someone who they love deeply and care about, they always have doubts about getting into something real with her. We are deconstructing the formula and finding out all the things that men hate in relationships. Take for instance, right? Relationship drama. There are some girls who would cause chaos even at malls, in town, public places, anywhere, with disrespectful words without even caring who's around in the environment, the setup where they are at. And no man can ever like that. Okay, we can say like it all depends with how you grew up, right? But no one like can accept such kind of disrespect. And a lot of guys hate drama queens. No lie. Nobody like would want to be in a relationship with a drama queen. Yeah. Men like hate girls who don't give them enough time with their friends. I mean the male friends. Males like gotta keep the guy cool, you know. But there are some type of girls who are like, they don't allow their boyfriends to go out things, or maybe to just chill, FIFA night, maybe FIFA chill out, you know, Need for Speed chill out. Females, they're always like in suspicion. Who are you with? Man, what's going on? Easy, mama, easy, chill. And they don't just see anything wrong with that, but there are a lot of wrong things in that. Yeah. Men hate drama in relationships. Men hate not being given enough time in relationships. Men hate financial worries. Men have to pay for almost everything in relationships. They hate how some women are always expecting too much of them. Like, you can't meet if you don't have money. She can't come and see you if you don't have money. Like, that only means your relationship is only based on money. The drama queens. Men hate women who are always in bad mood. They hate women who are always complaining about some things, day in, day out. The lady is not smiling whatsoever. She's always like, no, scandal after scandal, scandal after scandal. Relationship don't have to be based on that. Yeah. The neediness, always needing a man's attention, gets on his nerves. Men like to be needed to an extent, but a little too much also like gets out of hand, and it's just so irritating. They need someone who's in need of them, but at some point they give him free time, you know, to reflect on other things. Life is not always about relationships. Relationships are the basic essentials of life, yeah, love and the like, but you can't live on relationships alone. You have to do other things also. You have to think about other things also. But a lot of females, some females I might say, they don't like consider that. They think if they're in relationships, it's all about them and them all the time. But that's wrong. You get it? Yeah. The no appreciation type. There are girls who don't appreciate, even if you do something small, something big. The Bembas in Zambia say, you know, it makes a man feel important in your life, feel nice, you know. Everyone, the fact that women like to be treasured, also the males like to be treasured. But there are some females who, even if you buy them a diamond ring or whatever, they will say, no, I need a gold one. Like, what? Are you kidding? Like, I put all the effort in making you happy, and you come back in response with another suggestion of wanting. So in relationships, it's very important to appreciate the little things that your partner does. Ladies, learn to appreciate. Ladies don't appreciate. You need to be appreciating a little man's effort. Yeah, it's not always that you're gonna find a baller, a rich boyfriend. There are some who have rich boyfriends, well, like for them, but there are some who have struggling, who have hustling boyfriends. It's not always that they're gonna be providing for you, but now and then, here and there, whenever they can manage to help you, when they do, show them that appreciation. They feel important. Even next time when you ask for something, even if they don't have, they'll push to help you because they know that you appreciate. And the relationship will keep moving forward. The men hate females who don't know what they want in life. There is a trend, like right now on social media, where like we call these females the groovies. They think life is all about partying, going out, drinking expensive beers, smoking shisha that they don't even pay for, drinking the beers that they don't even pay for, riding in cars that they don't even buy fuel for, that they don't even know how much that car cost. They don't even know who owns that car, but they'll be riding in. You'll be kidnapped. Bueno. So guys hate such girls. No lie. They're good for entertainment, but they're bad for settlement. They're bad for, future commitment. They're bad for serious things. This is why we see a lot of females being used. Like, a guy will just use you and at a later time, he dump you. You go for someone who was serious. Why? Because a lot of females, they don't know what they want. You can't have a serious conversation about future plans. What do you want? The things that hinder, that affecting the economy. You can't have serious conversations about business startups. Things that will, build you up, that will develop your mindset, that will prepare you for the future. It's all about partying, and in those conversations of partying, they tend out to be expecting the guy who's struggling to pay. That is why you find a lot of females prefer sugar daddies. It's a shame. The distrust type. So fun. There are types. Okay, I won't say guys don't cheat. There are a lot of guys who cheat. There are a lot of guys who cheat. But the fact that there are a lot of guys who cheat doesn't mean that there are guys who don't cheat. There are no guys who don't cheat. There are a lot of guys again who don't cheat. The loyal type. The type that respects women. The type that don't use women. The one girl, one woman type of guys. And females think those guys don't exist. Yet the distrust falls in the relationship. They lose trust in the guy. And just there, it turns sour. Everything destroyed. Here and there, you are with man's phone, checking who's texting. Hey, who's texting you? I already told you, I don't talk, I only have eyes for you. Why can't you see that? No, why are there no female conversations in this phone? Babe, come on, you are here and don't ruin don't ruin this. Come on, don't ruin this. They're always watching your move. They don't want to hear a lady's name in your life. They think you are after that girl, or you're dating that girl, or you have eyes for that girl. No. Trust me, there are loyal guys out there. A lot. The same way there are disloyal guys, the playboy types out there, it's the same way there are loyal guys out there. It's a 50-50%. If you find someone who's not loyal in the relationship, they say you see them from what they produce. They can't hide. Don't worry about that. You know when you find a man who's a cheat, who's a playboy. And there are serious guys out there who are serious about women, who respect women, who are loyal to women, who knows how to value women. But the females, the women who don't see any good in that, they're always in distrust. They're always thinking, no, you are cheating. They're always wanting to check what's going on in your phone, who you are texting, who you are emailing, who you are FaceTiming, who every now and then, every chance they get, they go direct to messages, who you have been texting, your call log, who you have been calling. Like, that is not how relationships have to be. Anyways, let me not break my backbone. We can't crack everything in one video. So see you in the next video. Don't touch that down. Don't touch that down. I repeat, don't. Yeah. So thanks very much, guys. I surely appreciate everyone who has stayed to the end. I surely appreciate, and I think, hope and trust that you have learned one or two things from this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Till next time.